first.
So we put wax paper on there. That
On
becomes
here.
the bottom.
That's gonna be on. So that's gonna be the
And then we
base.
take off the wax paper that it was cooking with.
Right. You got it.
Okay.
You need to have a little more than normal, you know. Now I cut it all off the sides, see,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ran a knife around the sides.
and it's hot, so you're gonna have to do it.
Yeah, I'll do it. So we're gonna put
We're
the.
gonna put it on here, and this is the wax paper already.
So we're gonna flip this over and put it on there.
Right.
So.
Well, here, I can do that. It's hard to flip it
Yeah.
for me.
And then I'm gonna get hot mittens and flip that
You're
over.
gonna have to be kind of careful. And I don't know if you want these because they would tend to slide.
Well, I think
you might just need two like that.
Two regular
Two
mittens.
regular hot pads.
Okay.
Because you're going to have to, and you know
Reach
what?
under with my hands apart.
You know what? I think we can put it on this other one. That's too, I don't really like using that, and I believe this will fit it.
So we get one that's a little bit
Let's put this
smaller.
back. Yeah. And I believe we can use this.
And that's smaller.
That'll
It
be a
fits
lot
it.
easier.
Okay, yes it will.
Yes.
Alright, and then we'll take the wax paper that will then be the top off and let it cool.
Right.